What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Family, today I want to bring you guys my October 2022 garden update, y'all. Yeah, it's my October 2022 fall garden update. Family, we're going to start right here with the Florida Home Pear. Yeah, family, that's the Florida Home Pear. As you can see, I have it trellised, and it's doing pretty well, y'all. Yeah, it's doing pretty well. We're gonna move right along, y'all. We're gonna move right along. Here I have the pineapple pear, y'all. I had a pineapple pear. It's trellis, espalier as well. It's doing pretty good, y'all. It's doing pretty good. Moving along, fam, I have the Cavendish banana. I have a Cavendish banana plant. I also have the Meyer lemon, y'all. Check it out, fam. I had a Meyer lemon. It seems to be doing pretty well in this 20-gallon pot. As you can see, it's put on fruit. Yeah, fam. Fam, we have the beautiful mums. Yeah, the beautiful mums are blooming. Oh yeah, y'all. Elephant ears. We had the Calamundan citrus, y'all. Yeah, the Calamundan citrus. Yeah, fam. Fam, I have more Cavendish bananas. Yeah. The Sega palms. Yeah, fam. Fam, we have a variety of blueberry bushes. We have the Tiff Blue, the Duke, the Sharp Blue. Oh yeah, fam. It really produced very well this year. Yeah. Got a ton of blueberries, y'all. Fam, we have the Sugarloaf pineapple. And we also have the mighty Meyer lemon. Family, this tree is simply loaded, guys. It's simply loaded. Family, I actually have my first yellow lemon of the season, y'all. Check it out. That's the Meyer lemon, y'all. Family, we had the funky chicken. Yeah, we had a funky chicken. Standing tall and looking good, y'all. Oh, yeah. We have another Sugarloaf pineapple. A variety of banana plants. We had the Fuyu persimmon, y'all. The Fuyu persimmon has lost a lot of its leaves for the fall. But it's doing pretty well, y'all. And we also have the Celeste fig. It's lost a lot of leaves for the fall. But as you can see, still fruiting, y'all. We still have figs. Oh yeah, fam. Family, I had the Mars heading cabbage collards. Oh yeah, the Mars heading cabbage collards. I still have a small bed of sweet potatoes. I've harvested a ton of sweet potatoes this season as well, y'all. But I'm gonna get that bed a couple more weeks. Had a sweet basil. Also have Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts in that bed as well, y'all. Check it out, fam. Oh yeah. Family, we have the beautiful Anna apple. As you can see, it's trellis as well. Had the Sweetie Pie thornless blackberry. Also have cabbage growing in containers as well, y'all. Family, I'm dropping seeds probably every other day. Dropping seeds, y'all. More Sugarloaf pineapples. Got a beautiful loquat, y'all. Check it out. The yellow, white flesh dragon fruit. Also have the American Beauty dragon fruit. Family, we have Georgia collards, y'all. Oh yeah, we have Georgia collards. Check it out, fam. I need to put a little water on those. Family, I have dragon fruit cuttings. Those pots in the back are a lot of loquats. Oh yeah. We have champion collards growing. Of course, those are raspberries. Got a bunny collards as well, y'all. Family, we've harvested a ton of okra this season, but check it out, fam. Still blooming, y'all. Still blooming. That's the Clemson spineless okra, y'all. Family, this is my muscadine vine, my Misfit muscadine. We also harvested a ton of muscadines this season as well, y'all. But as you can see, I pruned it back. So just getting ready for next year. More Cavendish bananas. We have the high chia persimmon, y'all. The high chia persimmon. Check it out, fam. Also had a Persian lime. Got a Florida King peach, y'all. Yeah, the Florida King peach. And a beautiful, beautiful Barbados cherry. Yeah, fam. Fam, I have various other plants and trees growing in containers, y'all. Like the brown turkey fig, the Marsalis fig, and loquat, y'all. But family, as you know, family, as y'all know, family, I can't be in this garden by myself, y'all. I cannot be in this garden by myself. So today, fam, I bring you the Black Aces Tactical FD12. Chambered in 12 gauge, y'all. Oh yeah. Makes for a nice home defense weapon. Oh yeah, fam. It has the mag pull, M-bus, flip up sights. Has the angle foregrip. And it has a full or fake suppressor, y'all. Oh yeah. Of course it's mag fed. Yeah, fam, that's pressure, y'all, pressure. So that's a Black Aces Tactical FD12 bullpup, y'all. Chambered in 12 gauge. Oh yeah, fam. Fam, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.